Hey guys, so today I got my Boxycharm for the month of February. So let's get into it and see what's in here. Okay, so the first product that I see in here is the Touch in Sol No PoreBlem Primer. I already have this, so I will probably be giving this away to a friend. But I do really like this primer. I'm actually wearing it today. I think it's really nice at blurring your pores, and it's not as drying as some other pore filling primers. So I do really like this one. It's more of a gel consistency, whereas other pore filling primers I feel like are more of a like spackle kind of feeling. I don't know. And the No PoreBlem primer retails for $18. Next thing in here is from Sol de Janeiro, and this is their new Coco Cabana cream. It's a lot bigger than the Boom Boom cream that we got from Boxycharm a while ago. Let's see what it smells like. I've been interested to smell this one. Kind of smells like popcorn. Like kettle corn almost. That's very odd. But it does smell good. It's just like reminds me of popcorn. I don't know, that's weird. I do really like the Boom Boom cream. It's very hydrating. It smells amazing and I love that one. So I don't know, maybe I'll like going around smelling like popcorn. We'll see. And this cream retails for $20. Okay, next thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar. And this is the Bronzed Bee Bronze Mannikin Bronzer. Okay, so this retails for $32. And I think I will try it out. I don't have any bronzer on, just some blush. So let's try it and see how it is. Okay, so there's the bronzer on. I think it blended really nicely, and I think it's a good shade for me, thankfully. It's more of like a cooler toned bronzer, it looks like. And it did kick up a bit, pretty powdery, so be careful of that. But I think I like it so far. Only used it once, obviously, so we'll have to see. And the next thing in here is from Too Faced, and this is the Better Than Sex mascara. This retails for $24. And I have tried this. It's not my favorite mascara. It's pretty clumpy and I feel like it flakes during the day. So it's not my favorite, but it is very volumizing and lengthening, so I do like it for that. And then lastly in here is a product from NudeStix, and this is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in Copper Foil. So let's swatch this. Ooh, that's very, very coppery. Ooh, very metallic. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. So I do really like a lot of NudeStix products. I haven't tried their eye pencils. I really like their lip pencils that I've tried, but I haven't tried this, so I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. That is such a pretty shade. It's so reflective. And this retails for $24. Okay, so that's everything in the box this month, and together all of it retails for $118. So I think I do really like all of the products that I got. I will definitely have to try this out on the body and see how I like it. It definitely has like a kettle corn popcorn scent, but I don't mind smelling like food, so whatever. The No PoreBlem primer I already have, so that's a meh for me. The Pretty Vulgar bronzer looks really nice. It blended really good, and I do like the shade of it, so I'll have to try it out more and see how I like it. The Too Faced Better Than Sex, it's not really my favorite mascara, so that's kind of a meh for me. And then the NudeStix eye pencil, it looks super pretty. I'll have to try it out and see how I like it. but it's pretty 50-50 on the box this month. I think these two products I'm most excited for. The eye pencil I'll definitely try out, but the mascara and the primer I probably won't use just because I already have this and this isn't really good to me. I don't know. But let me know what you got in your Boxycharm for this month and what you think of everything, and I will see you in my next video.